pure questa.
Okay.
Will they be alright? They're under somewhere.
Okay. No, it's okay. Okay.
Let's go, please. This way. It's okay.
I don't know.
Ma di qua non si può fare Gino.
È chiuso. La prossima volta che tengo la porta aperte quelle cazzo di porte.
Not a very good pilot. Well, we don't have to get off the boat.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Shit.
Hold on, it's going to the pier.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
No.
Jesus Christ.
Let's push that boat out of the way at least. No.
It's going to hit now. Hold on.
I'm holding on, sweetheart.
Oh my god.
I think we've gone straight through the pier. By the look of it.
No, here it goes.
We haven't hit it at
Oh my
speed.
god.
I think our trip's just finished.
I think we're off. What happened?
I don't know what happened. I've got no idea what happened.
Well, what happened is that the dickhead steering the boat didn't steer it right. When I saw him turn on.
And we weren't moving.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I just hope nobody got hurt down below.
I know.
I hope no one's died. No one's got killed down there.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, they
We've
hit it.
hit
They
it.
hit the boat and the
We've
pier.
hit the pier. No.
No, and we're still going up. Now, if they hadn't fucked the boat, we'll continue on.
Oh my god.
Mm.
I saw that tugboat. He really struggled. He really struggled.
Couldn't move.